Welcome to Prince Creek Estates on 109th Street with big divide views. You can see the snow-capped peaks and the largest glacier in the state right in front of you. And then going down Long's Peak, tallest mountain in northern Colorado. And we're in a rural setting on a rural residential 1.8 acre lot here on lot number 2. Have a neighbor there on some large acreage. Goes up to the ridge line where there's some irrigation ditches that have an easement on it. And then here's the access road to the 4 lots. Lot 2 being one of them here. Lot 1 across the street. And now we're coming back to the beginning and the big Flatirons views. Wonderful. Lot 2, Prince Creek Estates. Thanks for viewing.